Welcome to this KnowledgeSmart support video where I will walk you through our new API Swagger page. This is a page where you will find all the current API calls available from KnowledgeSmart, and if you need this link, you can request this from your customer success manager or just email us via our support help desk and we'd be happy to share it. Once you land on the page, you can of course click show and list operations to then look at the various operations available under each of the subheadings. So here we can see quite a number of API calls available under assessments, and then our new area here called data export, which of course helps you to automate the collection of your updated KnowledgeSmart data, whether that comes from the skills assessment or the skills audit side. So notice there are two different calls there based on where the data is coming from. We have of course a consolidated data export available for every side of the platform. Soon we will also be adding one for the survey, the standard survey platform, so we would be looking to add that on here as well for you. Then of course moving down to results and the different API calls there, and users, and of course authentication at the bottom. So have a look at the different API calls available and utilizing them to streamline some workflows or connect some of this data to other systems within your organization. For those organizations that are interested in this component, which is automating the collection of our data, I will link a video for you which really talks about the different methods of refreshing data that's linked to a Power BI report. So there are a number of routes to take or number of paths to follow, and you can watch this video just to look and see which of those options might work best for your specific IT infrastructure that you have within your company. If you need any further support, as I said, please feel free to reach out to us via our support help desk, and we will link you up with our development team to offer you any additional support that you might need. So hopefully this is handy. It groups all our API calls, and you will be able to get all the necessary information from this page.